Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can send emails to customers on Shopify. Let's dive in. First, open up your Shopify homepage. I have arranged a link for you people that can get you a month's trial at just $1. Grab the link from the description. Now go to the settings option and click on it. Now, in the page that opens up, go to notifications option and click on it. Now on the notifications page, you can add your email, which your store uses to email your customer. You get more options to customize too. Now click on customer notifications. Here you can set up your email for several processes. Here we will see order confirmation, for example. You can preview your email format. You can even edit the code if you want to. You can click on send test to see if it works or not. That's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.